Hi everyone, welcome back to the Cactus channel. How are you? So, what you're looking at is rough material specimens. Rough material, that's what I'm going to call it, that was sent in my kit of my second rock tumbler. That one. So, I wanted to show you the rough material. I'm going to go ahead and tumble all this stuff. I tumbled the stuff that came with my first kit. My first kit had bigger specimens. Look at how tiny these are. Look at this little tiny fluorite. It's real thin. It's real tiny. It's just tiny little pieces of all of these. So I've got fluorite. I've got raw tiger's eye. Got some Dalmatian jasper. Those blues look like glass to me. Not quite sure really what that is, but they just look like glass. So, I don't know, but I'm going to tumble them anyway. There's three of them. There's three of them. See? They look like glass. So, who knows? But Dalmatian jasper, there's two amethysts. Yeah, I only got two amethysts. Nope, there's three. I lied. There's three. So it looks like there's three rose quartz. There's three obsidian. There's three jaspers. There's only one crystal. And so they sent me three of everything except for the quartz crystal. That's fine. I'll tumble that too. That'll look pretty. The only thing I'm not going to put in this tumble is the obsidian. Yeah, I'm just going to leave these pieces out. Obsidian causes gas and in your tumbler, and I'll put those in with something else. So we're not going to do the obsidian, but we're going to tumble all these little pieces of raw material, raw rocks. And I'm looking for it. I bet you these amethysts will tumble up into something I can use for jewelry. I bet. You can see through this one a little bit. Little bit. You can tell it's purple. How about the other ones? Let's see. You can kind of tell. This one's really dark. Oh, that's pretty. Okay. So these amethysts will come out looking pretty good, I think. And I'm going to put this all together, throw it on stage one, and we'll see what happens from the rocks I got from the actual kit. I can't wait to see what those look like. That'll be different. Not tumbled blue ones like that before. Thanks, everyone. Appreciate it. I'll update you when the stage is done. Take care and have a great day.